All right, guys, so been working on this. Had several failed cuts. It ended up being the X axis belt was loose, so it was skipping. But now the problem, I got this cut going. It's looking really good. And so it's on. You can't move this thing, they're all locked. Except for Z. Z is no longer, oops, it's unplugged right now, but even once it plugged in, nothing. I'll go ahead and reboot it just in case. Yeah, there's still no resistance on that stepper at all. And I've tried running wires from the control box directly to it so we can rule out the wire and the cable chain. And we got no problems there. It just doesn't work. So if you're looking at this control box, I would just avoid that sucker at all costs. So far with it, I have had, when I first got it, I tried homing and it wouldn't do it. It told me that to back Z off of the stepper or off of the limit switch, and it wasn't on it. So, slight problem there. I had to end up tearing this apart so that I could fix the little daughter board in there. And there was a solder blob connecting the pins on the terminal where the end stop connects. Shorten it out, and now it looks like the stepper driver has failed on the board. So I got a new board coming, not from the company that makes this, of course, since I got it secondhand. Brand new secondhand. It's not like it was used before. Everything was still wrapped. It still had its nice little plastic on it and everything. And, it was a motor combo. The motor looked brand new. There wasn't even any marks from it ever being mounted. So it was a brand new unit. And it's got all those problems. I guess when this board comes in, I guess I'll see how this is going. So hopefully it fits in this case, because I do like the case. I mean, it's got everything all nice and compact in there, and I like that. So we'll see where this is heading. I just wanted to give an update on it. And of course, this is after Valentine's Day, so there goes my gift for my wife that I was making. It was going to be supposed to be 2 dishes that, sit nestled into each other. I thought that looked kind of cool. And then, the belt kept slipping and it just chewed the thing up. And several tries of that same problem. And several tries. Wasted wood. But anyways, that's the update on this right now. So, yep, that's it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.